In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files and folders in OneDrive. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few tips to keep your storage tidy without losing something important by accident. Start by signing into your Microsoft account in your web browser. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, the grid of small dots near the top of the page. Click that to open the menu of Microsoft Apps, then choose OneDrive. If you don't see it right away, use the search box in the launcher to find OneDrive quickly. When OneDrive opens, head to My Files. This is your main hub where all your folders and documents live. It's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm you're in the right place, especially if you use both personal and work accounts, because the layout looks very similar. Now select the file or folder you want to remove. Click once to highlight it. If you need to delete multiple items, you can select more than one by holding Control or Command while clicking, or use Shift to select a range. Take a moment to double check the names and locations so you don't remove the wrong thing, especially with similarly named files. With your item selected, open the More Options menu by clicking the three dots. You'll see a list of actions you can take on that file or folder. Choose Delete. OneDrive will ask you to confirm. This is your safety net. Click Delete again to confirm. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. When you delete in OneDrive, the item moves to the OneDrive recycle bin rather than disappearing immediately. That means you can usually restore it if you change your mind within the retention period set for your account. If you're using the OneDrive desktop app, deletions here sync across your devices, so the change will reflect on your computer too. A couple of helpful tips: if the item is shared and you're the owner, deleting it removes access for others. If it's shared with you but you don't own it, deleting may only remove it from your view. Also, if you don't have permission to delete something, OneDrive will let you know, and you may need to contact the owner. That's it. Log in, open OneDrive, go to My Files, select your items, click the three dots, choose Delete, and confirm. Follow those steps and you'll clean up your OneDrive with confidence.